As a world-renowned manufacturer of mounted bearing units, ETK Bearing is located in Yunhei Industrial Park, Hebei Province, just a 3-hour drive from the capital Beijing. Its establishment in 1999, ETK has developed into a national high-tech enterprise with a full-chain production system and a national-level R&D center. ETK covers a plant area of over 70,000 square meters and employs more than 500 people. It has won awards including National Green Factory and Specialized and Innovative Model Enterprises, and has passed ISO and IATF certifications for quality, energy, environment, occupational health and safety management systems. From raw materials to finished products, ETK strictly adheres to quality system standards, continuously improves product and service quality, and enhances customer trust and market competitiveness. Ring Lathing Workshop. High-quality bearing steel tubes are cut into ring blanks and lathed using advanced automatic lathing lines. The fully automatic system improves production efficiency while ensuring high-standard processing quality and dimensional consistency of the rings. Heat Treatment Workshop. Advanced heat treatment equipment, optimized processes and a real-time monitoring system ensure uniform hardness and an excellent metallographic structure. This significantly improves resistance to plastic deformation with superior performance in key indicators such as wear resistance and fatigue resistance. Grinding Workshop. ETK has a world-class grinding and super finishing production line. Equipped with an advanced SPC, Statistical Process Control System. The SPC system continuously monitors the grinding and super precision status of the rings to ensure precision levels. Excellent integration of software and hardware ensures 100% product quality consistency, fully meeting standards of P6 or higher. Assembly Workshop. ETK's fully automatic assembly line uses advanced matching, cleaning and clearance detection technology to meet customer requirements. The workshop is equipped with an ISO BVT vibration detection system, ensuring each product meets or exceeds the Z2 V2 standard. Casting Workshop. The foundry adopts Germany's advanced automatic molding and pouring system to ensure consistency in the appearance and size of ETK housings. Strict quality control includes pre-furnace chemical analysis, real-time temperature monitoring, and batch tensile strength testing. Automated sand processing, including sand mixing, used sand recovery and cleaning, not only greatly improves production efficiency, but also fully complies with environmental protection regulations. Stable equipment operation and strict raw material ratios ensure ETK housings fully meet HT200 or QT 450 material standards. Housing Lathing Workshop. ETK uses advanced CNC machines and self-designed automated lathing lines to achieve processing accuracy higher than industry standards. It has independently developed a housing positioning device that greatly improves bore accuracy, the fit between the bearing and housing, and extends product lifespan. Painting Workshop. the integrated automatic spraying line, baking finish process, and strict technical standards guarantee uniform paint coverage and adhesion, satisfying every customer's requirement. Packaging and warehouse. Strict procedures for assembling bearings and housings, rigorous standards for unit fit, and premium packaging materials ensure each batch of products is exquisitely finished and delivered on time, bringing satisfaction to every customer. ETK products are governed by a strict quality assurance system and guaranteed by multi-dimensional testing procedures, integrating low noise and long lifespan into the core of each bearing. ETK currently has a team of experienced industry experts, and its R&D Centre has been awarded the title of National Bearing Technology Innovation Centre. From material spectral analysis to metallographic structure inspection, insight into microstructures lays a solid foundation for anti-fatigue performance. Roundness and waviness inspection, groove curvature, deviation inspection, and surface roughness inspection. Each test focuses on extending bearing lifespan and controlling vibration and noise. Every detail is crafted to strict standards, ensuring the stability and durability of ETK bearings during operation. ETK collaborates with domestic and foreign universities and research institutions, investing a high proportion of revenue annually in R&D of new technologies and products. It currently holds more than 50 patents. ETK's strong technical capabilities, combined with strict physical and chemical analysis, comprehensive product inspection, and effective reliability simulation tests, provide customers with low-noise, long-life products. ETK products are sold in more than 60 countries worldwide. ETK's multilingual sales team has earned customer trust through customized solutions, reliable products, and excellent service. ETK products will lead mounted bearing quality to new heights with higher standards, contributing to more stable, efficient, and durable machinery operation across industries. With the trust and support of all partners, ETK will strive to become a world-renowned premium bearing brand.